In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a shop announcement on Etsy. Perfect for beginners who are just getting started. Making a compelling shop announcement is a critical step in enhancing your shop's visibility and communicating with potential buyers. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you set up your shop for success. First, we need to dive into the heart of your Etsy operations, which is the Shop Manager. The Shop Manager is essentially the control center of your Etsy store. It's where you manage your listings, review your stats, and handle orders. To access it, head over to the Etsy main page and look for the link that says Shop Manager at the top of the screen. Click on it, and let's get started. Now that you're in the Shop Manager, your next move is to locate the option to edit your shop. On the left-hand side, you'll find a variety of menu options. You need to look for and select Edit Shop. This button is your key to personalizing your shop's appearance and content, including your shop announcement. Clicking this takes you to a page where you can modify different sections of your shop, everything from your shop name to your welcome message. Once you're on the Edit Shop page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Shop Announcement. This is where you get the chance to communicate directly with your customers, so make it count. Announcements are a great place to offer updates, sales events, or new product launches. It's important to remember that the announcement should be clear, concise, and engaging to your audience. You might want to welcome them to your shop, let them know about any promotions, or update them on your current processing and shipping times, especially if there's a delay for any reason. This transparency builds trust and helps manage customer expectations. After you've crafted your compelling message, it's time to save it to ensure that visitors to your shop can see it. After writing your announcement, look for the Save option at the bottom of the section. It's crucial to hit Save to make sure all your hard work isn't lost and your announcement goes live. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a shop announcement on Etsy. Making sure you have a clear and useful announcement can really enhance your customer's experience and potentially drive more sales. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, you can update your announcement as often as you need, so don't hesitate to come back and make changes whenever there's news worth sharing. Happy selling!